back to my channel. Today I created this full look for the fall, also for the holiday. I feel like it became a little holiday real quick, and it's also all drugstore products. So excited to be back here and uploading makeup tutorials for you guys, trying out new things, reviewing them, and I'm just super obsessed. I just really missed it so much with, filming and all that good stuff. So yeah, lots of new fall products that I tried out for you guys, and I am living for this cool tone, like golden look. I was able to mix and match them both. You guys know I'm a warm tones queen. I like everything nice and golden, but super obsessed with this look, and also very affordable. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vale. I do all things fashion and beauty and lifestyle, also a little bit of vlogs here and there. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe down below. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful glam, full glam for the fall, trying out all new drugstore products, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started. It feels so good to be here. Got my coffee with me, and let's just get glam. First, I'm gonna go in with this Pixie on the Glow multi-use moisture stick. I think I've seen like a lot of people use it. I have it here. I think Desi used it, and as you can see, it gives you like a nice glow. I feel like it'd be pretty to also dab it like over makeup, or for those like really natural days, like this over foundation would probably look so pretty. Okay, so it does feel like a primer. I don't think that if you're oily, this would like be the best thing, but for me that I have dry skin, like look at this. This is actually very pretty, and like it gives you like that natural glow. I wonder what it will look like under foundation, but I feel like this for days that I don't want to wear foundation and maybe like spot conceal. Look at that. This is so pretty. I'm so happy that I finally tried it out. I'm also going to go in with this lip exfoliator coconut from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Guys, I've had all these products for months and I'm just passionate enough to like try them out. So this is what it looks like. It's an exfoliating and also moisturizing. I can still feel the beads as I'm like running it into my lips, but I feel like they're like dissolving, or you could just like rub them like this. But I like it because I thought it was only going to be just like an exfoliator, but it actually moisturizes the lips. We're going to be taking my Master Blur Stick from Maybelline. I really have been liking smoothing primers for my pores. I feel like now I'm just like into them, and this one from like Maybelline is the best one that I found like from the drugstore. So it reduces shines, covers the pores. It allows you to have a really nice and clean, smooth base. This is a transparent one. I was using the one that had a little bit of color in it, but the other one got super gross. So hopefully this one works as well. Okay, now that the face is nice and prepped with primers and everything, we're going to set it with a setting. Taking this one from e.l.f. Cosmetics, it is a Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. I like the packaging. e.l.f. has really good setting primers, and I just really love e.l.f. Like, how could I not love e.l.f.? It also says 16-hour long wear, so we'll see about that. Que rico. Oh my god, bro. Literally, e.l.f. always comes through with their setting spray, I'm telling you. Amazing. I'm gonna leave her here because we're gonna be using her a lot. It smells like a really refreshing lotion, if that makes any sense, but love me a good prepped skin moment. Now we're gonna move into eyebrows. I have not a big selection of brow products, but that's never been my case. This is too dark from e.l.f., but I have these two. I believe they're the same color. This is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. For a minute, this was my jam. Let's see if it's still what I look for. I also never do my brows on camera, so I'm just like, changing my ways, giving you guys what you want. I don't know what color this is, but once I like see it like on the website, I'll be able to link it for you guys. So we're gonna keep a very nice natural brow going on. I was using the e.l.f. brow pomade for a minute. It was actually very good. That'll do. She will do. This brow, oof, needs some help. Now I'm gonna go with concealer. Really have been loving this one from Maybelline. It is their Super Stay Concealer. And you guys know that I love my Super Stay foundation. So when they came out with the concealer, I was like, OMG. I also use it as an eyeshadow base, but I need to pick up more and like darker colors now that I'm gonna try to keep a consistent tan going on. So I'm just taking a flat definer brush from Dust of Colors, and I'm gonna be carving out my eyebrows and then setting my eyelids so we can start with our eyeshadow. And I used to apply so much concealer, guys, like under my brow for no reason. So it's better to work like a little bit as you go, or apply some in the back of your hand and then apply it. And then another good tip to get a nice crisp line, but that's not too much, is whenever you're using the brush, have like a little like napkin or towel and literally just squeeze the product out of the brush so it is nice and flat. That way whenever you're blending out the concealer and making that nice crisp line, the brush is working with you, not against you. Let's get into the eyeshadow, because I actually picked up this palette from Ulta. It is the Morphe Madison Beer palette. I love Madison Beer. She's such a vibe, and she's just so gorgeous. So I just want to look like her, you know what I'm saying? So this is the eyeshadow palette. Very nice and beautiful, crisp. I like it because it's a very mature fall palette. There's no yellows, there's no purples, there's no blues, there's no greens. Like, just give me what I want. Okay, that's all I ask for. That's all we ask for. So I feel like this will be great for all ages. And there's so many looks that you can create with this, and even like that, those sultry matte looks. Like Morphe does have good eyeshadows, besides like my feelings with Morphe, which is, I don't want to get into it. But other than that, I just hope that they are just trying to be better as a brand, and I just really love their palettes and their products. So yeah, there's no names to it. Maybe there was, but I took the paper out because I'm that impatient person. But we're just gonna like go in and just play with some makeup, okay? So first I'm gonna take this beautiful color right here. It's like a brown taupey. I'm taking that on a Sigma Taper Blending E35. And I'm gonna start working this color right in the outer corner. I wasn't expecting it to be as cool tone, but I love. You know how hard it is to find a color that looks like this and that it blends like this? Like, come on, guys. So I'm just buffing it in the outer corner. I always like starting in the outer corner because that way you can build on the inner corner. You're not starting off with like so much eyeshadow, and then you still have enough room to blend things away if it gets a little crazy. So always start in the outer corner and then work your way inward with very light circular motions. Okay, now we're gonna go into, I think I want to keep it like the cool tones situation. So I'm gonna go with this beautiful like matte brown color right here. I'm just taking this another blending brush. This is from Morphe in Jack and Hill, the JH33. Also love Morphe brushes. Guys, I haven't played with eyeshadow in literally like months. Like when quarantine started, I was like, you know what? I'm getting creative. And then after that, I just literally stopped. Like, I don't remember the last time that I did a full-on glam like eyeshadow look. I mean, I still beat my face, you know, because that's a must. But the eyes, sis, I don't know what to expect when I look at myself, because I just been doing literally nothing on my eyes for like the entire year. But you know what I'm saying? You gotta put yourself outside those funks. I'm gonna take this like burgundy brown purple color on a Morphe JH40. And I'm just really gonna focus that in the outer corner as well, just to add a little bit more dimension. But I'm just gonna create like a liner illusion. So I'm gonna be in the corner, like in a C shape, just to hug it a little bit. So I have two colors right here that I think I wanna use. I think I'm gonna go with the more golden one, because of course that's me. And I think I'm gonna take my finger, so I'm just taking this shade right here and just see how it applies. Oh, that's stunning. Only in the inner corner. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want like an effortless kind of like glam on the eyes. Because we have the matte eyeshadows, if it's not like quite blended, this will also hide a little bit of that. Okay, so now we're done with eyeshadow for a minute. We're gonna do eyeliner. I haven't done eyeliner, guys, again, probably since 2019. This is the new Maybelline Master Precise All Day Matte Eyeliner right here. We're gonna create a little wing moment. Oof, I don't know if I still got it, guys. We'll see. And we're gonna create like a fox wing, so very thin in the inner corner, and then we're gonna wing her out. I might not, I don't know, we'll see. And this is where the audio cuts off on the video, guys. So sorry, but technical difficulties, it happens. So I'm just gonna walk you through everything that I'm doing. So I added a little bit of black eyeshadow to the look, just for a little bit of depth. Apply my foundation, now going in with mascara. I know it's a little bit more sped up than I would like it to be. I was just trying to recover the footage that I could, but I will have all the products listed down below for you guys to check out. I also really have been liking this drugstore lashes from Ardell. So amazing and like literally like so affordable. I went ahead and also fixed my eyebrows because sis, they were not the vibe. I added a little bit of my anastasia powder. I just need to find good wrap products from the drugstore. Now taking some concealer from LA Girl and cream contouring with these LA Girl concealers. You guys were like, those were the vibe back in the day, and they're just so easy to use, so easy to blend out. I'll also have other brushes that I use in the description for you guys. This is from Sigma, my F55. Love this brush to blend out my creams with. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques blender, also one of my favorite ones from the drugstore. I forgot how much I love drugstore products, just to blend everything out, and I noticed the concealer was a little too light for my complexion at the moment. I am self tan, so I went back in with that stippling brush to further blend the contour into the concealer, and I'm just buffing everything away again with a sponge. I'm applying some more loose setting powder from e.l.f. I actually ran out, it's amazing, just to apply a little bit of smokiness on the lower lashes. I'm telling you guys, I went all in with this look. Some setting spray, some bronzer to my cheeks, my forehead, and trying out these bite-sized palettes from e.l.f. were amazing. I used the blush from the palette, it was super cute, and going in with the Maybelline mascara to my lower lashes, also retouching the lash glue with this eyeliner from Maybelline, guys. So good, so matte, so amazing. Taking this palette from Pixie, this highlighter right in the middle, I freaking loved. Applying it to the inner corners, my brow bone, of course my face, literally everywhere that I want to go. It was such a good powder. It's hard to find really good highlights in the drugstore, but this palette was it. Now having this lip combo with my e.l.f. Cosmetics collab Retro Paradise, the lip liners. I'm actually taking 2 lip liners to create my perfect nude shade. These are meant for contouring your lips, and then I'm adding this gloss also from Madison Beer from the Morphe line that I absolutely love and might be my new favorite clear nude gloss. You guys will see in a moment how beautiful this lip combination looks. I'm sorry for the lack of nude combos lately that I've given you guys, pero I got y'all in the fall. A lot more tutorials coming. Sorry this one was a bust, guys. It was just too good for me not to post, but I promise you guys, I got you next time. Well guys, that was it for the video. I hope that you guys loved and enjoyed it. As always, I will have our products that I use and mention listed down below, along with their links, discount codes, anything that you need to know. Let me know in the comments if you guys love this look, if you want to see more drugstore tutorials, and also let me know what other makeup looks you want to see, what brands do you want me to review now for the fall, or just any requests, drop it down in the comments. I always love talking to you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel down below, thumbs up the video, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Vale Loren so you can keep up with me on my day-to-day life. That is it for today, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.